So what happened with last supper? La khona wafika ngirabisha until ngiphume ngihambe. Wena enyaweni zami yini enye ezolandela kulokhaya?
MaKhumalo bengibona ene right yokuthi aveze ungaphatheki kahle kwakhe, but ngibona ku the other way around. He believes ukuthi kukhona abantu okhulume nabo.
Obani? Usombali noShibasi. Because phela abantu ababi lana ekuyiside elwrong ekuthiwa ngihlangene nezitha. Beside lane. Mina from day one, I never had a problem with him taking another wife. The only day lang ngaba ne problem khona mina, it was after I saw him saying, bahamba so sala seyincane. Ngashintsha lapho. Mangirealize ukuthi kade akusakhiwa sekuyadiliza.
Usethi yena kade ekukhazela ngabanye abantu. So into eyenza ukuthi nididane kakhulu this time, it's because azange akutshele about this particular one. So that is why wena should usu acta kanje, because should you feel ukuthi kufanele akwenza umamkhulu akuchazele yonke into before ayenze.
But mina I've been understanding ukuthi angiyena loyo mamkhulu, therefore angikwazi ukuchaza ukuthi thatha noma ungathathi ngivale noma.
If MaKhumalo is saying she never had a problem with him taking a fifth wife, she only had a problem when he started saying abahamba yo, is starting to sound contradictory, because as viewers, we know that MaKhumalo is not approving of some gay or like the fifth wife, because Mseleku dated somebody from her hometown. You know, that's the reason why we know that MaKhumalo is not approving of the fifth wife. It's not because Mseleku said bahamba. Like, now she's contradicting herself. When it comes to Mseleku saying MaKhumalo is trying to take over and make herself wife number one, I can say that Mseleku feels like MaKhumalo is upset because he always tells her about every girlfriend that he has, but he didn't tell her about Samge. So he feels like MaKhumalo is upset because of that, not because of the whole like taking off a wife thing. It's getting interesting because yes, clearly you didn't tell her about Samge because you know that she wouldn't approve of Samge because you took Samge from her hometown. She's a girl that she knows. She's a girl that she even knows her aunts. So you knew what you were doing.